Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Today we will discuss about SQL auto increment field. Okay, how we can create a column to auto increment it. Okay, increment. Okay, what is an auto increment field? Okay, auto increment allows a unique number to be generated automatically when a new record is inserted into a table. Often, this is a primary key field that we would like to be created automatically every time a new record is inserted. Okay. Now, let's see how we can create this auto increment column. We'll see a syntax for SQL Server now. Syntax for SQL Server. So create table name. Let's say I will create persons table. The columns ID integer field. Here we'll make this ID as identity column. So this is a keyword we use for creating a auto increment field, and one common. So one is for the starting number and seed. This is seed. So how much it has to be increased. So whenever you insert record by record, let's say first record you insert, it will be increased by how many numbers. Okay, the second record if you increase, it will be plus 1, 2, 3 like that. But if you want to generate even numbers, you can mention it as 2. So it will go for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. Okay, let's mention 1, 1 and we'll make it as a primary key. Primary key. Okay, then last name char of 255, then first name. Okay, let's create a table now. Okay, last name, here we need to put a comma. Okay, we have created person. So if you see the table structure, so Alt F1, okay, you can see the primary key is created and it will show an identity column is created with the seed of 1, increment 1. Okay, so now MS SQL server uses identity keyword, this identity keyword to perform an auto increment feature. Okay, in this example, the identity starting value is 1 and it will be incremented by 1 for each new record. Okay, tip. So if you want to start a value, this id value to be start from 10, you can mention it as 10 and increment every each insert by 5 records, means you can give this way. Okay, now let's see by inserting a record into the persons table. So you don't need to add a column because this is auto increment. Okay, so you cannot insert also, so you will get a error when you try to do this. Like first let's insert last name, first name. Okay, select, or you can do values, anything is possible. So there are so many ways you can add values into this. So values, BSD, BSFD, EFGH. Okay, so try to insert this. By default it will insert 1. Okay, the other way you can insert is using select. Also you can do select, last name is some name will get give, then let's insert this. Okay, this has been auto incremented. Okay, now let's see. So let's see if we try to manually insert the id field with the value 3, we'll get an error saying you cannot explicitly enter the value to a identity column. Okay, if you want to do that, we can do it by setting identity insert table name persons off. Okay, we'll say on first, then once insert is done, so now it is 2, so we can on, you can insert this, then you can set it off. Okay, this is how we can manually insert whatever value we want. Okay, that's it for today's class. So we will see SQL dates in the next session. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.